Guys, this is super cool. We are on set for the new Homestead movie that's coming out. We've had our trucks being filmed for this. We get to be involved in a bunch of giveaways and help promote the movie. And now we're doing like Hollywood stuff. Here, check this out. Down on Jeremy Johnson's ranch, he's got all these tiny homes, box houses. We're on set, so you gotta be super quiet. There's real actors over there doing acting. It's like real Hollywood stuff. They're all made of steel. They got nice kitchens, cupboards, lofts with soft beds. These box houses are super cool, and they're gonna give one of those away. We're gonna give away one of the Polaris Expeditions. They've got all this survival gear, knives, food storage, uncharted supplies. Like, they are pushing so much cool stuff out to the world on being prepared for like zombie apocalypses. Basically homesteading, okay? The whole movie is about homesteading, being prepared for end of days type stuff, and basically bringing in all of your closest family and friends into one safe spot that you could get simply by going to watch the movie, by buying some tickets, by doing whatever you gotta do. You could get entered to win this cool stuff and see the movie. That's what we get to do down here in this slice of paradise. Jeremy Johnson, your place is awesome. And if these box houses are always here, you might want to just check in on it at night and see which one I'm squatting in. They had me bring a flamethrower too. Hollywood people asked me to bring a flamethrower. I'm an actor. They got me doing hair and makeup. Good luck. Okay, so that tone didn't hit me very good.
No, I just
not so much here, not so much there.
Right here.
Yeah.
How do I look? She thinks it works.
That's Brad Pitt if I've
I
ever
felt
seen
great.
it.
Thanks very much.
You're welcome.
That's Hollywood life right there. Just a nice spa, a facial in the morning. Feeling fresh. Whatever she put in there. God, it smells delicious. Yeah, smell that. You guys smell that? Rate that smell on 0 to fantastic. Don't run away. It's me.
Oh shoot, Dave's here.
Do you so you do recognize me?
Oh, who's this guy?
Good. Yeah.
Hold on.
Tell me who
Hold
I'm
on.
looking at.
It's Botox.
Wait.
It's Botox.
Oh, you do have a little bit.
Yeah.
Dude,
I got it. Did Smeta show you?
Yeah, he said, this is Diesel Dave with
Yeah.
the foundation.
They got.
Hold on.
Don't smear it.
Oh,
She had me put that on.
Oh my.
Why would you do that?
You need to go back to makeup.
Who's this guy? This is my one shot of Hollywood, and you're gonna smear it on your hand?
I just wanted a little bit.
Wait, just give it a lick.
Hey, did she put a little bit of glitter in there? That looks
dude.
nice, dude.
That's like stripper glitter.
Yeah,
Look.
it looks pretty normal until
You get within like 3
until you
feet.
get really close, and it's like, oh, okay, here's man. That's
I just showered, that's why it's sweaty. I mean, what?
Dart.
Why does this fly after me? Did they like makeup?
Okay.
Oh man, they're
Hey,
calling
we
me.
gotta go. You gotta go.
So
Dude,
anyway,
are you ready?
Caleb, he didn't tell me, but this is a full movie production. I have makeup on and lines. He did it right. This is the only way you can do it with me. You just kind of surprised me. Wow, it's a hard lesson to learn real quick.
How do we turn this into the ultimate homesteading vehicle and then just walk the car, kind of talk about some of the upgrades that we did? It's not fun to have this if you're not going to drive it. Let's just take this on a stroll down the street real quick. Like, if you want to go spin a donut down at the end and then come back, like that's fine too.
He puts the easel in diesel.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah. He's also got double D's. Can you say that?
Oh, you can say it all.
Okay, we're clear.
All right.
On Jesse.
Hey everybody, I'm Jesse Hutch. This is Kevin Lawson, and we want to introduce to you Diesel Dave from Sparks Motors.
You get the flamethrower, he gets to drive. I'll sit in the back and pray. So we're doing stunts now. So we got the expedition that we're giving away. Yeah, I'm a stuntman. I'm a builder, stuntman, actor, man. This is cool. Freaking cool day. I'm hanging out with the big boys, and we are going to pitch the giveaway for the expedition. Of course, I brought my flamethrower. Who leaves the house without a flamethrower? Not this guy. I've given it to the boys, and they are going to shoot it to kind of spark interest in the ad right now. And then what I really like, since Jesse's a stunt driver, is we'll just lay down a nice flame, and he'll go drive through the flame.
As you can see, Diesel Dave comes equipped not only with diesel and muscles, but also with fuel and gasoline.
Listen, I don't know who leaves the house without a flamethrower, but not me. Just get a little bit on the outside, you know. Are you ready for your flamethrower course?
What angle should I point it?
Go straight first.
All right, so Kevin Lawson attempting flamethrower, take one. All right, so even from back here, I can feel that heat from behind you.
Yeah!
Whoa!
Talking about!
Hey, so how'd that make you feel?
I can't talk about it on camera.
Is that good?
Yeah, it's good.
Is that good? It smells good too.
Then you drive through it.
Oh, it's so great.
Does that feel good?
Should I do it? Like, where's the camera shot going to be? From this way?
You know what you could do as he's coming? You could probably lay it down right before he gets there.
Yeah. I think this is the
Just don't shoot the razor with the gas. It'll continue to burn a little bit.
Yeah, this is my first flamethrower experience. And so I'm gonna drive the Polaris through the flame that Kevin lays down. I mean,
Expedition, sorry.
it's pretty simple,
That's
to be
good.
honest. If I'm driving through, you guys let me know what kind of
Yeah.
angles you guys
And lay it like,
want.
so the flame's big, and
Yeah.
then 2 seconds later it comes through. I think that'd be perfect. And you know what might be cooler than seeing the Expedition coming down when he shoots it? Fix tail around this corner through it, because then you'd see only the flamethrower, and then when the flame's done, you see only the Expedition, versus in the distance you're gonna see the Expedition coming if he's straight down the road. You can do it either way.
My thought is it's just like he's speeding down, and you're like, whoa, why is he speeding down? He's in the road, and he's like, well, this flamethrower, it gets out, and then
Or this Expedition as it's cutting through the flames.
Yeah, and it'd be cool if the Expedition also breaks his shot. That'd be kind of fun,
Yeah.
right?
Are you gonna park it?
And then, no, I'll just drive. I'll just fly by.
Yeah, or this Expedition, he's right through the flame.
Yeah, I'd say
Because if he's
pick one, try.
the sliding, it's probably cooler shot, depending on how much he slides. You know, I'll be standing here. I have to get out of the way.
We just want more fire for
Yeah,
you.
the fire's already cooking,
Yes.
and then I come in and I just light it up some more.
This is a real qualified flamethrower. He just passed my course. Topping your class, by the way.
Yeah, that was
top
pretty
your class.
amazing. I was the only one in the class.
Yeah,
Pretty cool.
valedictorian.
Yeah.
And now he's about
light
to
some
lay a
things up.
stream as the Expedition goes right through. It's gonna be the most epic ad you ever seen.
Go, 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 go.
Spices things up.
Welcome back to Homestead.
I'll tell you what, anything you add a flamethrower to spices things up just a little bit, that ad'll be fire.
What the?
Little BTS there.
Yeah, I kicked the button on with my.
How's your legs?
You all right?
Yeah, no, I'm fine. I was worried about the thing I was getting out.
Glad you're good.
That was crazy.
That's fun.
I look over, just flames.
How was that surprise feeling?
That's good.
Dude, I was, my
now.
face went like this. I was like, oh! I was out.
Oh yeah.
Let's see.
Dude, they went up in a ball of flame.
Yeah.
I was worried about you.
I was good. Are you okay? Yeah, no, I'm fine, I promise.
An accidental flamethrower.
It was right here because it was shooting.
Oh,
I
yeah.
went like this.
I was there and I looked over and was
the
like,
button's
oh!
right here. So when we stopped, I went to go like this guy and it hit the button. I'm like, oh no, it's lighting up.
The thing about flamethrowers is you don't switch them off. And that button's live, and so it's sitting on his lap. We got lucky we didn't do it when we were fishtailing around the back. We went to get out and his knee hit the button again, which sprayed fuel all over the floor and lit it up. So me in the back seat, all I see is this huge flame, ball of flame sitting in front of me. I was like, Kevin! Rip Kevin out. He was patting it down, getting the flame out, and we just, luckily had a fire extinguisher.
Yeah, I mean, it was almost out by the time you had the fire extinguisher.
It was fun to use a fire extinguisher. Yeah, everyone always wants to pull the pin on a fire extinguisher and do it. It's kind of fun. But now we know it's flame resistant.
Yeah, it's you can light that baby on fire and it won't go up.
You didn't even get any holes in your pants, and you don't have to shave your arms anymore. This is great.
The best day ever. Okay.
Let's go.
I'm angry.
You too can win that flamethrower. Homestead. Buy a ticket.
So these are absolutely awesome because that's actual gold. You can take that places and actually spend it.
Can you take that to McDonald's?
Yes, McDonald's has to take it. They have vending machines where you can go throw in like $5 and
Is
they'll
that a
give
photo
you.
of you on the bed?
Yes, right there. Well, sorry, that's more feminine me.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna give away that
You're
box
gonna want
house.
a freaking
And give
house,
away
dude.
this expedition. Give away all this stuff. That bike, that bag, these solar panels, the generator, the knives, the gold, everything could be yours. All you gotta do is pre-order some tickets to Homestead. Pretty simple if you ask me. In fact, with these Meta glasses, I might be. Hey Meta, pre-order some tickets to Homestead. You are now entered to win all this awesome stuff. Thanks, Meta.
Thanks, Mark Zuckerberg. You're insanely intelligent.
Everything they need.
I think I did okay. Because they both laughed. Even behind the camera laughed. They're just like, let him sit there and let him think he's doing something. We'll film later.
You can also win your very own Polaris OHV Expedition. Okay? Now this puppy.
Brother, these tiny houses, these box houses are sick. I would really take one and I would build a big porch around the outside and I'd put it in the middle of nowhere and it would be my paradise.
You want to win this flamethrower? It's not working.
Battery on.
You want a chance to win this flamethrower? I almost forgot to say Polaris.
Because it was that epic.
Yeah.
It'll burn that fuel right off. How was that? Was it cool? That felt cool. Well, it felt hot, actually.
You want a chance to win this flamethrower?
like being the pyrotechnic guy. This is fun. Bring a flamethrower, get to do all the cool ads. This is awesome.
Yeah, we could do like 20 more takes on this.
Oh yeah, I probably need to roll that one back a couple more times till the flames all the way up there by the other Ranger. All right, guys, we did it. We're done. It's here. This Polaris Expedition that has that beautiful wrap by Envision, homestead theme, just like the movie. I mean, you're looking like you're driving a doomsday, end of days right there, and it's grungy look, but freaking cool. So whenever you're driving it, you're gonna look cool, especially when you're on those Yokohama tires and hostile wheels. You have a nice hood rack that ties beautifully into your bumper with Baja design lights in the front. Also Baja design lights in that custom roof rack made by Sparks Motors. Baja designs on the side of that roof rack and on the back. So I mean, with one simple push of the button, you're lighting up the entire night. Beautiful, it's wonderful, and you can shut them off one by one. You can run each one individually. You have a winch that's either gonna get you out of a hairy situation or somebody else out of a sticky situation. And if you're out and you want to camp under the stars, you got that Polaris rooftop tent ready to party anytime, anywhere. And that whole package right there could be yours, my friends. And all you have to do is go see a movie. Number one, the movie has one of our trucks in the movie. Number two, the series that comes out after, yours truly is in it. And number three, when you see it, $300,000 worth of homestead stuff could be yours, including this Polaris Expedition. I'm talking a box house, I'm talking survival equipment, food storage, naps, whatever you need is for a homestead is coming your way if you win.